Ladies and gentlemen, Conway Twitty! Met the girl I love up in a town way down in Dixie, neath the stars up above her. She was the sweetest girl I ever did see. So I held her in my arms, told her of her many charms. I kissed her while the guitars played the Bonaparte's Retreat. Yeah. As I held her on that night, and I heard her say, please don't you go away. And so I held her in my arms, told her of her many charms. I kissed her while everybody played the Bonaparte's Retreat. Everybody! I saw a man today who said he'd talk to you. Not so long ago, I think a month or two. As my mind raced back in time, I prayed, oh Lord, don't let it show. He thinks I forgot you 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I still feel the same. Why did he have to mention your name? I'm as broken up inside as if it's been a week or so. Takes a mighty long time to get a real love off your mind. I know I've tried since 15 years ago. Lord, she needs someone to hold her when she cries. She packed her few belongings, left a note, and now she's gone. And I can't stand to think of her out there so all alone. As soon as she's gone far enough to know she's out of sight, she'll pull off the highway and she'll cry. And she needs someone to hold her when she cries. Someone who really understands the way she feels inside. When her heart breaks, the tears won't stop, no matter how she tries. And she needs someone to hold her when she cries. My hand is trembling as the key unlocks the door. My legs are shaky as I walk across the floor. My voice trembles as I call out, I'm home. Do my eyes deceive me, or is my baby gone? Baby's gone. She couldn't stand to tell me face to face, and things just ain't the way they used to be around this place. Her perfume lingered where she once lay her head, and I can almost taste the teardrops baby shed as she searched her mind and tried to find just where it all went wrong. Lord, but it's in, and it's over, and baby's gone. And I was born in the state of Mississippi, but I was raised in the state of Arkansas. Down there in Arkansas, we got some good-looking girls. And there was one particular girl. She had a daddy named Clifton Clower. And she lived up on a mountain. The name of this mountain was Wolverton Mountain. And that's the name of this song. They say don't go on Wolverton Mountain if you're looking for a wife, 'cause old Clifton Flowers has a swinging daughter, and he's mighty handy with the gun and the knife. He knows her lips are sweeter than honey, and Clifton Flowers protects her there. All in bad, they tell old Flowers if a stranger should enter there. All my dreams are up on that mountain. I want his daughter for my wife, and I'll take my chances and climb that mountain. Oh, Clifton Flowers, he might take my life. He knows her lips are sweeter than honey, and Clifton Flowers protects her there. All in bad, they tell old Flowers if a stranger should enter there. I'm going up on Wolverton Mountain. It's much too lonesome down here below, and it's just not right for him to hide his daughter from me because I love her so. I don't care about Clifton Flowers. I'm gonna climb up on that mountain. I'm gonna take the girl I love. I don't care about Clifton Flowers. I never tried that old romance bit, but I think I'm gonna chance it, and I'm gonna take the girl I love. Guitar play, take me back yesterday. Let me see cotton growing in the field. Let me hear my mama calling. Look yonder, y'all's coming down the road. He's coming home, but they know I never will. Left them living with that awful thing I've done. Didn't tell them I just packed my clothes and run. Play, guitar play, help me through another day. Help me make another dollar before I go. We got time for one more song. Then we'll have to move along. Another town, another crowd. Lord, I wonder if they know. Can they read between the lines in my song? As I sing about a good boy that went wrong. Guitar, we got years to kill. We got to climb that distant hill. I wonder if they think of me. Here's a song that I recorded back a couple of years ago. And it went on to become one of the biggest records I've ever had. And this is the young lady that helped make it possible. Here she is, my daughter, Joni Lee.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true.
Joni was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Joni wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true.
Slowly I read her note once more. I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops fell like rain that day when I told Joni what I had to say. Joni, Joni, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I'm 22. And Joni, I just can't wait for you. Soon I left our little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down, but these words kept haunting my memory, the words that Joni said to me.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see, saving all my kisses just for you, signed with love forever true.
I packed my clothes and I caught a plane, had to see Joni. I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and ask my Joni if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door. Things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day when I heard what Joni had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I married your best friend.
Johnny Lee. Georgia, sweet, sweet Georgia, keep pulling on my most men would give their right arm or anything they own to have a woman just like you to be waiting when they come home. But the devil made me cheat on you one too many times. And honey, I'm sorry, but she left heaven on my mind. Georgia, sweet Georgia, keep pulling on my ring. I need her, and I love her, Lord. She's a sweet and precious thing. Her sweet and easy love and love beats all I've ever seen. Georgia, sweet, sweet Georgia, keep pulling on my ring. I didn't wanna fall in love with anybody else, but when I tasted heaven, Lord, I just couldn't help myself. I pray someday that you'll forget and forgive me for all these things. I just can't seem to love you with Georgia pulling on my ring. Georgia keeps pulling on my ring. I need her and I love her, Lord. She's a sweet and precious thing. Her sweet and easy loving, Lord, beats all I've ever seen. Georgia, sweet, sweet Georgia, keeps pulling on my ring. You know, down through the years, most of the songs that I've recorded have been about the ladies. And this song is about a special lady. She was born down in Nashville, Tennessee, but she lives deep within the heart of all of us, all around the world, who love country music. And we call her the grandest lady. She's never in the spotlight. Everybody knows that she's a star. And when she shines upon you, she'll make you truly proud of where you are. She'll wipe away the pain of all the dues you had to pay when the curtain to her world starts to unfold. With mother tender hands she will applaud and feed the hunger in your soul. And she's known as the Grand Ole Opry, where the legends come to call. She's the queen of country music. She's the grandest lady of them all. She sings of desperados, the lonesome whistle of the midnight train. And the coal mines of Kentucky, and how it feels to be out in the rain. She sings of Texas cowboys, of hobos and of heroes, and the loneliness of wearing prison blue. But most of all, she sings about the common people just like me and you. And she's known as the Grand Ole Opry, where the legends come to call. She's the queen of country music. She's the grandest lady of them all. like her in here before. And I could see her watching me as I walked across the floor. I asked her if she'd like to dance when the band starts up again. She said, I never dance with strangers, I don't even know your name. I said, we're not exactly strangers, you and I. My thoughts were running wild and free as I watched you tonight. Just think about it and you'll find we're not exactly strangers. I've already loved you in my mind. The band started playing a slow-moving song. She got up and easily moved into my arms. I kept on saying the things a girl likes to hear. And when the dance was over, she whispered in my ear. She said, we're not exactly strangers, you and I. My thoughts were running wild and free while you held me tight. I thought about it and I find we're not exactly strangers. I've already loved you in my mind. On my mind, and next to me, my soon-to-be, the one I left behind. And Lord, it's killing me to see her crying. She knows I'm lying here beside her, with Linda on my mind. Yes, I know that I once loved her, and I placed no one above her, and I never thought I'd ever set her free. But it just wasn't in my plan, the way Linda squeezed my hand the first time that I held her close as she danced with me. She said, I've loved you for a long time. You're married to a friend of mine, and I try hard to never let it show. But my love for you is stronger. I can't hide it any longer. And so I thought I'd better let you know that I'm lying here with Linda on my mind. And next to me, my soon-to-be, the one I left behind. And Lord, it's killing me to see her crying. She knows I'm lying here beside her with Linda on my mind. Well, as I walked motivating over the hill, saw Maybelline in a coupe de ville, Cadillac moving down the old road, nothing outrunning my V8 Cadillac doing about 95, bumper to bumper, rolling side by side. Maybelline, why can't you be true? Oh, Maybelline, why can't you be true? You done started back doing them things you used to do. Well, the Cadillac moved to 104. The boat got hot and wouldn't do no more. Done got cloudy and started to rain. Tooted my horn for the passing lane. Rainwater blowing all under my hood. I knew that was doing my motor good. Maybelline, why can't you be true? Oh, Maybelline, why can't you be true? You done started back doing them things you used to do. Sound. Cadillac sitting like a ton of lead, 110 a half a mile ahead. Cadillac looking like it's sitting still, caught Maybelline at the top of the hill. Maybelline, why can't you be true? Oh, Maybelline, why can't you be true? You don't start it back doing them things you used to do. Why me, Lord? What have I ever done to deserve even one of the pleasures I've known? Tell me, Lord, what did I ever do that was worth loving you? The kindness you've shown. Lord, help me, Jesus, I've wasted it. So help me, Jesus, I know what I soul in your hand. Try me, Lord, if you think there's a way I can try to repay what I've taken from you. Maybe, Lord, I can show someone else what I've been through myself on my way back to you. Lord, help me, Jesus, I've wasted it. So help me, Jesus, I know what I am. Now that I can almost hear the stillness as it yields to the sound of your heart beating. Boom, boom, boom. I can almost hear the echo of the thoughts that I know you must be thinking. Boom, boom, boom. And I can feel your body tremble as you wonder what this moment holds in store. Boom, boom, boom. And as I put my arms around you, I can tell you've never been this far before. Boom, boom, boom. And I don't know what I'm saying as my trembling fingers touch forbidden places. Boom, boom, boom. I only know I've waited for so long for the chance that we are taking. Boom, boom, boom. And I don't know and I don't care what made you tell him you don't love him anymore. Boom, boom, boom. And as I taste your tender kisses, I can tell you've never been this far before. Boom, boom, boom. And as I take the love you're giving, I can feel the tension building in your mind. And you're wondering if tomorrow I'll still love you like I'm loving you tonight. Have no way of knowing, but tonight will only make me love you more. Boom, boom, boom. And I hope that you'll believe me, 'cause I know you've never been this far before. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Nice to see. It's been a long time. You're just as lovely as you used to be. How's your new love? Are you happy? Hope you're doing fine. Just to know it means so much to me. What's that, darling? How am I doing? I'm doing all right, except I can't sleep. I cry all night till dawn. What I'm trying to say is I love you and I miss you. I'm so sorry that I did you wrong. Look up, darling. Let me kiss you. Just for old time's sake, let me hold you in my arms one more time. Thank you, darling. May God bless you. And each step you take bring you closer to the things you seek to find. Goodbye, darling. I gotta go now. Gotta try to find a way to lose these memories of a love so warm and true. And if you should ever find it in your heart come back, darling, I'll be waiting for you. People see us everywhere. They think you really care, but myself I can't deceive. I know it's only make believe. My one and only prayer is that someday you care. My hopes, my dream come true. My one and only you. No one will ever know how much I love you so. My only prayer will be someday you'll care for me, but it's only make believe. My hopes, my dreams come true. My life I'd give for you. My heart a wedding ring. My all, my everything. My heart I can't control. You rule my very soul. My only prayer will be someday you'll care for me, but it's my one and only prayer is that someday you care. My hopes, my dreams come true. My one and only you.